Hi everyone, this is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review my June 2018 Ipsy box, or Ipsy Glam Bag rather, for gluten-free products. And, let's see, I got the blue one. Apparently it comes in shades of pink as well. Hi Hamlet. Sorry, my cat. So this bag, I really like it. It's like a vinyl type material, and what's nice about this is that, sorry, one of my cats, Hamlet, is wanting to participate in the video, so he's banging my camera. Anyway, if I spill something on this, foundation, any kind of liquid or whatever, it'll wipe right off. So that's really nice. As much as I like the cloth bags, this is real handy. So, first thing is the Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum with green tea seed. And this is gluten-free. All of these products are gluten-free. I checked the ingredients and I was really surprised that these products are. No, I shouldn't say that, because Ipsy has been amazing about sending me gluten-free things. Okay, so this is for applying your serum to your face and neck, and then pat for full absorption. Looking forward to using that. This is Dr. Lil Fan, I think that's what it says, Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. This is also gluten-free. I didn't open this. It smells really fresh. Feels nice. Absorbs into the skin well. Well, that feels really nice. Okay. This I haven't tried yet. This is the Kelleigh Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. And this is in the shade, or it's a corrector, concealer corrector. I don't know what shade it is. Let's see. Nice. Well, that's really interesting. A little bit goes a long way. I'm looking forward to playing with these products. This is Caladium. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is cruelty-free. Also, Prima Donna. It's a blush, and I'll show you what it looks like. Of course, I took everything out of the bag and all of that because I wanted to check ingredients so that I could share with you what's gluten-free and what's not. And I didn't see... oops. Can you see that? It's a peach shade. You know, I think that Orgasm blush that I was looking at, it just didn't sit well on my skin tone. So, very nice. And this shocked me. MAC Prep and Prime. This is the one I was talking about that I was really surprised. And forgive my bandage. I was using a box cutter last night, and I sliced myself. I'm not very coordinated sometimes. Anyway, this is the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage. I don't know. Anyway, this because MAC can be, some of their products, a lot of their products have gluten in them, and some of them don't. So you have to be real careful. But I put this all over my face for 2 days and left it there. Not left it there, but wore it all day for 2 days, and I didn't have any problems with it at all. And my skin is really super sensitive to anything containing gluten in any form. So that's my experience with it. You may have something different, but I was very pleasantly surprised. Feels really nice on the skin. And so that is it. All of these products are gluten-free. Thank you, Ipsy. No, they didn't send this to me for free, although that would be nice. But yeah, great bag all in all. Here's the card that comes with it, flying colors. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, and this is about Pride Month. Wonderful. Wonderful. So this is just fantastic. Happy Pride Month, everyone. And I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Join me at my dollhouse. And I will see you in my next video. Have a fantastic day. Lots of love.